phone call to a dental office. Bright Smile Dental. This is Megan. How can I help you?
Hi, I have an appointment tomorrow at 2, and I was wondering if I could reschedule it.
Sure. What's the name?
Marcus Webb.
Okay, let me pull that up. Got it. Marcus Webb, 2 o'clock tomorrow with Dr. Chen. What's going on? Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. It's just work. My boss called this morning and said I have to be in a meeting at 1:30. It'll probably run late, so...
Ah, got it. Yeah, let's find something that works better. How soon were you looking to reschedule?
Honestly, as soon as possible. I've already pushed this appointment back once.
Okay, let me check the schedule. So tomorrow's pretty full. What about Thursday?
Thursday, what time?
We have 10:15 in the morning or 4:45 in the afternoon.
4:45? Is that the last one for the day?
It is, yeah. We close at 6, so Dr. Chen usually wraps up around 5:30.
Okay. And it's still a cleaning, right? How long does that take?
About 45 minutes, sometimes a little longer if the hygienist needs to do x-rays.
Do I need x-rays this time?
Let me check your file. Looks like you had them done about 8 months ago. We usually do them once a year, so you might be due. But the hygienist will check when you come in.
Okay, so maybe an hour to be safe?
That's a good estimate. Yeah,
All right, can I do 4:45 on Thursday?
absolutely. Let me move that over. Okay, you're all set. Thursday at 4:45 with Dr. Chen.
Perfect. And is there anything I need to do before the appointment? Like, should I avoid eating or anything?
No, nothing like that for a cleaning. Just brush and floss before you come in. Oh, and if anything changes on your insurance since your last visit, bring the new card.
My insurance? I don't think anything changed, but I'll double check.
Yeah, just to be safe. Sometimes people switch jobs and their plan changes, and we find out at checkout, which is never fun.
Ha, yeah, I can imagine. I'll check tonight.
Great. And if you need to cancel or change again, just give us a call before noon the day before. We have a 24-hour cancellation policy.
Got it. What if I forget? Is there a reminder?
Yep, you'll get a text tomorrow evening with the details.
Oh, good. That actually helps. Okay, I think we're all set.
You're good to go. We'll see you Thursday, Marcus.
Thanks a lot, Megan. Sorry for the last-minute change.
No worries at all. It happens. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Picking up a prescription at the pharmacy.
Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription. Last name Torres.
Torres. Let me pull that up. 1 second.
Sure.
Okay. I'm seeing one prescription here, but it's not ready yet.
Oh, when will it be ready?
Looks like about 45 minutes. We're a little backed up today.
45 minutes? I called this morning, and they said it would be ready by noon.
I'm sorry about that. Let me check the notes. Yeah, it looks like there was a hold on it.
A hold? Why?
Your insurance came back with a question about the dosage. We tried to call, but did you get a message from us?
I don't think so. Maybe. I missed a few calls earlier.
Yeah, that was probably us. So the issue is your plan doesn't automatically cover this strength. We need a prior authorization from your doctor.
A prior authorization? What does that mean exactly?
It means your doctor needs to contact the insurance company and explain why you need this specific dosage. Once they approve it, your insurance covers most of the cost.
I see. How long does that usually take?
That really varies. Sometimes same day, sometimes a few days.
A few days? I kind of need this today.
I understand. You do have a couple of options, though.
Okay, what are they?
Option 1, we can run it as a cash prescription without going through insurance at all. It would be, let me check, $87.
$87? Wow.
I know, it's not cheap. Option 2, we can reach out to your doctor's office and see if they can push the authorization through faster. Some offices do it same day if we flag it as urgent.
That sounds better. Can you do that?
Absolutely. We'd need about 15 minutes to reach them and see what they say.
All right. Is there a waiting area?
Yeah, just over there by the vitamins. There are seats.
Okay. And if the insurance doesn't come through today, is there a lower dose version that's covered?
Good question. Let me look. Actually, yes. There's a lower strength that your plan covers with no issue. It would just need a new prescription from your doctor.
Would that be a big difference?
For some medications, it matters a lot. For this one, I'd really recommend asking your doctor before switching. There might be a reason your doctor prescribed that dose.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's try the authorization first.
That's probably the best place to start. I'll call the office now and have them put a note on your file. What's the best number to reach you if anything changes?
It's 512-555-0193.
Got it. And your date of birth, just so I can confirm the account.
April 1st, 1988.
Perfect. All right, give us about 15 minutes. If we hear back quickly, you might be out of here before 1 o'clock.
That would be great. Thanks for walking me through all of this. I had no idea insurance could slow things down like that.
Unfortunately, it happens more than people realize. But we deal with it every day. So don't worry. We'll figure it out.
Okay, I'll be right over there.
Sounds good. We'll call your name when it's ready. Any questions before you head over?
No, I think I'm good. Thanks again.
Of course. We'll take care of it.